What is up, everyone? Are you tired of baking and reading for everything to bake? Well, I have this delicious vegan, gluten-free banana almond caramely banana cake that goes in the mug and then goes in the microwave, and you will love this. Let's get started. To a small bowl, add in 1 large banana and add in a 1/3 cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 pinch of salt, a ½ teaspoon of baking powder. To a small bowl, add in 3 tablespoons of warm water and then add in 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Go ahead and just mix that right up all together until it looks just like this. This is an egg replacement. And go ahead and pour it into your bowl and then get a mixer out and start mixing up your batter on a medium speed until it's super smooth. And if you do not own a hand mixer, you can do it by hand with a whisk or a fork. Just make sure you mash the banana up and then mix it until it becomes a super smooth batter. It should look smooth just like this, and it will smell amazing. Now go ahead and get a mug out and start scooping all your batter into the mug and fill it halfway, not too full because it will explode in the microwave if you fill it up too high. So make sure you fill it up a little bit below than halfway. Now go ahead and place it in your microwave and set the timer on your microwave for about 4 minutes and 30 seconds, or you can do 4 minutes if you like it more moist. I would suggest to do 4 minutes. And just to remind you, you will see it flowing up pretty high, and that's okay. If it flows way too high, you probably filled your mug cake up a little bit too high, and that's okay. You could just open the microwave, let it sink back down and put it back in and let it finish its remaining minutes. After it's complete, go ahead and pull it out of the microwave and set it on your counter or wherever you want to set it, or leave it in there and let it cool down, and then grab a small pan out and turn it onto a medium-high heat, and then add in 1 full banana, and then add in 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar. And then go ahead and just start mixing it together so we can melt some of the coconut sugar. Now go right ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of coconut milk and then just mix it all together. This will help the sugar melt faster and it will taste like a delicious banana caramel sauce. You will love this and be obsessed with it. As you can see, it's boiling, so that means your sugar has definitely melted by now. You can go ahead and turn the stove top off now, and then just go ahead and bring it over to your mug cake and pour it right on top to get that caramel banana gooing inside of that delicious mug cake. And go ahead, take your pictures, show it off, enjoy this delicious quick cake. If you don't like to bake, this is very easy. Anyone can do it, and it's so addicting and tasting and delicious, and you can enjoy it. Any questions, reach me on my Facebook fan page or my Instagram. And if you make this, tag Meet the Presleys on Facebook or Instagram, and I'll be so glad to give it a shout out and a vlog. So have a wonderful day and you enjoy this deliciousness.